Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you what to do if your Bumble account has been banned or blocked. So first, open Bumble and check the message explaining why you can't access your account. And if Bumble provides an appeal or support option, then use the official process to request a review. And be honest and provide the information Bumble asks for. If you believe the ban happened by mistake, then clearly explain the situation and ask Bumble to review your account. And you need to avoid creating another account to get around a ban because that can lead to additional restrictions. Also, don't use modified Bumble apps, fake information, or third-party services claiming they can remove the ban. Those services can put your account and personal information at risk. If your account was compromised before the ban, then mention that when contacting Bumble support. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.